Extended operational area. This includes the emergency alert system test. When you need to talk, we're here for you.
Your thunderstorm warning for central Sullivan County, southwestern Russell County, southwestern Virginia, the city of Bristol, and southwestern Virginia, southwestern Virginia.
Now it's time for
Washington County and southwestern Virginia until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Russell County, Bristol, Tennessee, Bristol, Virginia, Walnut Hill, Colonial Heights, Spurgeon, Glen City, Nicholasville, Tri-City Airport, and Blountville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 81 in Tennessee between 1:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was working at 9 miles northwest of Walnut Hill, or 11 for your protection room to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Expect damage to roof. Locations impacted include Bristol, Tennessee, Bristol, Virginia, Walnut Hill, Colonial Heights, Spurgeon, Bluff City, Nicholasville, Tri-City Airport, and Blountville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 58 and 75. Interstate 81 in Virginia between mile markers 1 and 8. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Southwestern Russell County in southwestern Virginia, northeastern Scott County in southwestern Virginia, west central Washington County in southwestern Virginia until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a flash flood warning for drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Nicholasville, Hollywood, Castlewood, and Dales. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The following is a flood bulletin for the following counties: Sullivan, Tennessee, and the following counties. Radar. Impact. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Nicholasville, Dunyonian, Collingwood, Castlewood, and Benhams. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A chance of thunderstorms. This is the National Weather Service. 732. WXK-46 broadcasts from Sharps Ridge in Knoxville, while WNG-732 broadcasts from Cross Mountain near Love Fallen. During potential such as hazardous chemicals and amber alerts. The weather radio alerting system is with a test normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is an ongoing weather event, the test may be postponed to the next available good weather day. The reception of this broadcast can be more of the following reasons. Your radio is located 4 miles from the broadcast antenna, or the signal is partially blocked by hills or buildings. If your radio is not reacting to this test, or the voice on the radio is not clear, you can try so it will activate during threatening weather events. The weather radio broadcast from WXK-46 services the following Tennessee counties: Anderson, Blunt, Campbell, Claiborne, Cook, Granger, Chamberlain, Jefferson, Knox, Loudoun, Monroe, Morgan, Roane, Scott, Sevier, and Union. The WNG-732 weather radio broadcast services the following Tennessee counties: Anderson, Campbell, Claiborne, Morgan, Scott, and Union. And now your 7-day
We interrupt this program for a test of the emergency alert system in the following Virginia localities: Louisa County, Spotsylvania County, Orange County, Hanover County, and Caroline County. All EAS stations serving these localities are requested to broadcast the following test message for the Dominion Energy North Anna Nuclear Power Station. There is no emergency. The sirens you just heard were a test of the early warning siren system around the North Anna Nuclear Power Station. There is no emergency. The early warning siren system is designed to provide an alerting signal to the people who live within 10 miles of the North Anna Nuclear Power Station. In the event of an actual emergency, 4 separate 3-minute siren blasts would be sounded, each 3-minute blast separated by 1 minute, alerting you to tune to your local emergency alert system radio or television station. To repeat, the sirens you just heard were a test of the early warning siren system at the Dominion Energy North Anna Nuclear Power Station. There is no emergency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
To these ideas, these cultural traits.
You've been dancing around the edges of this stuff, and you're ish is a wish.
I didn't know financial coaching was included.
That's a sale we're running right now. We've never done that before. People love it because they get a free coaching session.
shelf the rest of your life. I got books that have changed my life. The information in them changed my life. No, they got sticky notes and highlighters are on my shelf. I'll never give these books away. There's some books when you move, you throw them all out. You give them to Goodwill or whatever. But not those. Not those. Alex is in New York. Hey, Alex, welcome to the Ramsey Show.
Hello, Dave and Christina. How are you?
Great. How can we help?
All right. Thank you very much. I'm a social studies teacher, and this summer I got a second job as a server. Currently on baby step number 2, and I've worked really hard.
Prueba. Esta estación está transmitiendo la prueba semanal o mensual requerida por el sistema de alarma y de emergencia. Esta es solamente una prueba.